afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So all of you ready for the revision?
Ma'am.
Good evening. My God. Afternoon and morning is okay. I told we can use either good morning or good afternoon. Good evening is not
Good
acceptable.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. I believe you all you're like set for revision, right? Tuesday is your exam, literature exam. So I hope you are all ready, thorough with both the lessons, and we have a very less portions for the exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll begin with the oral revision, and the last 10 minutes I'll put a test. You can do a test, revision test. So I'll be asking you questions one by one, and it's a revision for all of you. So all of you have to pay attention. Listen to the answers what others are telling. Okay. So the first question, Arpita, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What was a poor boy's name?
Tom Candy.
Tom Canty. Okay, very good. Now, Krishnanda, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by move in circles? Like, give me one word. One word for the meaning to move in circles.
Circles over
Hmm.
worlds.
Not words, just jumble. Rearrange the letters. What you guessed is right, but bring out the correct word. Yes? Try to recall it.
Move round in circle.
Yes, give me the one word. It's not like I'll be always asking you the word and you should give the meaning. Sometimes I might, vice versa. That is the other way. Yes, Maria? Unmute. Listen, okay?
Yes.
Give me the, yes, give me that word.
Swirl.
Swirl. Krishna, not whirls. Repeat that word.
Squirrel.
Swirl. S-W-I-R-L. Swirl. Okay? Fine. Next. The question goes to Avantika OS. Avantika, please turn on your video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The prince had announced that the grandmother should be punished. And which is a place he was planning to give her the punishment.
Palace.
Which is a place where the prince planned to imprison the grandmother. Yes, Glenn, give me the answer. Avantika, pay attention.
The tower.
In the tower. Avantika, that's the answer. Read the text carefully, okay? Huh? Yeah. So what is the answer, Avantika?
In the tower.
In the tower. So do you remember immediately Tom Canty is telling that is only meant for like high class people. We belong to the lowly class in the society. So immediately the prince is telling, I will think about it. I will do something about it later. Ma'am, who is that? Who? Nainika. Where is Nainika? Nainika, you cannot see me? You cannot see me or hear me. Others are able to see me, right? You can hear me also, right? Okay, fine. So Nainika, there is some problem with you. Just leave the meeting and join again. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of the word heavy-handed? Yes, Srihari. Heavy-handed.
Strict and harsh.
Exactly. Strict and harsh. Now, next question. How old were Nan and Bet? How old were Nan and Bet? Izan.
14.
Wrong.
15.
Only one answer. Decide whether it is 14 or 15.
15.
15, exactly. Nan and Bet were the twin sisters of Tom Canty, and they were 15 years old. Okay.
14 were the age of
Yes.
Lady Elizabeth.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Who did not permit the servants to laugh? Undimaya. Undimaya, I'm seeing you after a long time. I never see you in the online classes. Where you used to be present, Undimaya? Please unmute. Anyways, tell me the answer. Unmute. Not able to unmute. Yes. So, who is a person who never allowed the servants to laugh? Which character? Yes. Who never permitted the servants to laugh? Siddhi, unmute.
Lady Mary.
Lady Mary. Did you hear the answer? Lady Mary is a person who did not permit the servants to laugh. And she used to be very, very gloomy. Right?
Mommy,
Very,
I
very-
got the answer.
Who got the answer? Okay, fine. Your voice is not clear. Manav. What happened, Manav? Just check whether the plug is properly fixed. The headphones. You cannot hear. Just check your connection. Okay, fine. Okay. Who helped the princess sisters to change the garments? Navaneet. Who helped the princess sisters to change the garments?
Servants.
The servants. Very good. Great. And the next question, Aryan. What is common between the prince and the boy?
Can you tell the question again?
What is common between the prince and the boy?
Prince is very rich and
Hello, Aryan. I'm asking about the common factor. What was common between the prince and the boy? Wait. Isha, please give me the answer.
Can you tell me the question again?
What was common between the prince and the boy?
They were born on the same day.
Did you hear that, Aryan? That is how the story begins. They shared the same birthday. That was the only common factor between them. And of course, they look similar, right? That is the reason why they decided to switch their roles. Because they looked exactly identical. They resembled each other. But that is not mentioned in the lesson. The reason, the one point that is mentioned in the story is they shared the same birthday. Means they were born on the same day. Okay, what do you mean by the word forbid? Come on, forbid. Who can give me the answer? Forbid. Not Navaneet, somebody who did not answer so far. Yes, Ridvi, give me the answer. Forbid. Louder, I cannot hear you. Who can give me? I want quick response. No waiting. I want fast answers. Selin, what do you mean by the word forbid?
Do not allow to do something.
Do not allow someone to do something, right? Okay. Now, what is the one word for strongly wish for something? Ashwal, Can you give me the answer? Strongly wish for something. Naznia, wait. Strongly wish for something. Naznia. Unmute. Yes. Desire. Pronounce the word properly. Desire. Desire is strongly wish for something. Okay, Ashwal? Which is the word? Ashwal? Ashwal, I want you to tell the answer. What is the word?
Desire.
Desire. Okay, fine. Now, what is the one word for ask for information? Asked for information. Jenica. Jenica, what is
Yes, ma'am.
asked? Asked for, one word for asked for information.
Inquired.
Inquired. Very good. Now, what happened after Tom and the prince changed their roles? Dhanvin, unmute.
Ma'am?
What happened? What happened when, what happened after Tom and the prince changed their roles?
Ma'am?
What took place?
Ma'am, then they go to adventures.
Exactly, that is the word I want. There were a lot of adventures. Many adventures took place after they changed their roles. Okay, now, who is the author of the story, The Prince and the Pauper? Hyra, unmute. Who is the author?
Ma'am,
Who
can
is-
you say the question again?
Who is the author of The Prince and the Pauper? Who is the writer? Yes.
Mark Twain.
Mark Twain. Very good. Okay. Now, what is the antonym? Antonym of the word sorrow. Antonym of the word sorrow. Riza.
Joy.
Wait, Hyra, you said the answer. Okay. Riza, please unmute. What is the antonym of forbid? Antonym of forbid. Forbid. Manav, can you hear me? Please unmute.
Yeah.
Yes. Manav, can you tell me what is the antonym of the word forbid?
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking.
Ma'am, I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the
Ma'am, your
antonym?
voice is not clear, ma'am. It's breaking. Yeah.
My voice is breaking, but nobody else
Ma'am,
said that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can't. Yeah.
Wait. One second. Okay. Now where is Manav? Manav, one second. Manav, please unmute. Manav, unmute. Manav left the meeting. It's not seen. Okay, Riza, tell me. What is the answer? Forbid. Permit. Yes. Permit. Okay. Manav, can you hear me now? Riza,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
mute. Yes, now it is clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What did the prince decide to give Tom's sisters?
The prince decided to give Tom's sisters as many dresses as they desire.
As many dresses as they desire. Very good, very good. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
Naznia, please unmute. What do you mean by the word gloomy? Gloomy. Gloomy. Why? Nanika, no answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, what is the meaning of the word gloomy?
unhappy.
Unhappy. Very good. Now, Devash,
Yes.
which is the right prefix? You remember what a prefix is? Yes?
Yes.
Prefixes are the letters, group of letters added before a word. What is the correct prefix for the base word balance? Balance. Balance. I'll write on the board. Okay. Just check. Imbalance. Imbalance. Misbalance. Devarsh, you saw?
Imbalance.
Which one? First one, second one, or third one?
First.
Imbalance. Imbalance is the correct one. You mean this one? This is wrong. Which is the correct one?
Imbalance. Balance.
Imbalance. Imbalance is the correct one. Okay. Second one. I am. I am. I am. Imbalance. So, children, only particular prefixes will go with the base word. So, you have to be very careful. For example, agree, disagree. Okay. So, these are the two things you have to be very careful regarding the antonyms and the prefixes. Please make sure that you're thorough with all the prefixes that we have done in the workbook. Okay. And there is one, Devarsh, what is the antonym of the word pure?
Pure. Impure.
Impure. There we are using I am prefix to make it the antonym. Okay. So children, are you ready for a test? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, fine. I'll share the link.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the chat box.
Yes, check the chat box. Yes, I have sent it.
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your screen has been shared to
Wait. Okay, no problem. I just want to open the link. There are only 10 questions. Just 10 questions. I want everyone to score full marks, okay? No mistake should happen. Go through the questions carefully, read all the options before you click on the answer, and make sure that you have answered all the questions before clicking on submit.
How does the cage bird
Siddhi, where are you?
what
Avantika, please turn on your video.
is the meaning? Whether come good. What is the cost?
Wow, many of them already submitted the response very fast. Great. Wow.
Am I finished, ma'am?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Niranjan.
Manav's mark.
Manav's mark, yes. Manav 10 on 10. Niranjan, Selin, Ojas, Maria, Ashwal, Aryan, Kirtana, Aditi, Ridvi, Adidev, Siddhi, Manas, Manav, Janvi. All these students, Dhanvin, Izan, all these students have got 10 marks. Others who have submitted, you have just lost 1 mark. Just 1 mark. I think that 1 mark is gone in that age of Nan and Bet. Otherwise, it's all right. 26, okay. Then Arpita, 10 on 10. Nobody has gone below 9 so far. Very good. Huh? Just 1 mark gone so far. 30 of them have submitted. Devarsh, you lost 2 marks. Diya Viju, 10 on 10. Nainika, 10 on 10. Very good. As you complete, when you view the score, please make sure that you also go through the wrong answers, where you went wrong, and the correct answer will be given there. So that you won't repeat the mistake again. You won't repeat that same mistake. Juan, what happened to Juan? He's late. Okay, I'll send it again. I have sent it again. Sorry, to. Juan, if you are there in the class, please. You were late for the meeting? Sorry, you were late for the class, Juan? Juan, please unmute. I have sent the link. Please do the test.
Yes, ma'am, I was late.
Okay, okay, do the test. I have sent the link in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Srihari, 10 on 10. Rayan, 9 on 10. Devarsh, so please check which are the 2 answers you did. You made the mistake, and make sure that you don't repeat the same mistake in the next exam. Nazmiya, 9. Who is making that noise? 37. Okay, only Juan is left out. Okay, very good. Niranjan? Niranjan? Yes. Nimaya, 9 on 10.
Ma'am, did everyone submit?
Yes, yes. Only Juan is left out.
Okay, ma'am.
Juan might be doing it.
Ma'am, Juan is trying to say something, but he's muted, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Juan. Let me check. He's just joining.
No, ma'am. Juan is already there.
But he left the meeting. He's trying to join now. Let me check.
Ma'am.
Juan, please unmute. Please unmute. Yes, Juan.
Ma'am, that phone was my grandmother's phone. That's not Google service.
Okay.
This is my mother's phone.
Okay. Okay, you got the link? You got the link? Did you get the link in the chat box?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Should I send it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, first send something else. Then if he sees that, then he'll see that.
Okay, ma'am, I get.
Okay, I got.
Sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Sometimes there might be confusing options. Okay, you have to be very careful while clicking on the answer. Tanvi, are you trying to say something? Tanvi? No, you're just dancing, right? Okay, fine. So Aryan, what is common between the prince and the poor boy?
They were born in the same day.
On the same day. Okay, very good. What happened, Riza? Unmute. I saw your hi in the chat box. Yes. So Tharu, done for the exam, right? Just waiting for the paper on Tuesday. This you got 10 on 10?
No, no.
Where did you lose? 1 mark. Don't discuss now. Let Juan do it. Okay.
What is the essence of the word drink?
Ma'am, did Juan finish?
Juan has not submitted.
Drink, drink, drag.
I submit.
Okay. Submitted. 2 marks gone again. Okay, wait. Yes. You can just see from the beginning. Here are the marks. Jenica. Yes. Can you see? Can you see the screen? Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, look at the marks. So, Jenica, Sarah, a few students have lost 1 mark. Juan, what happened? Which are the 2 mistakes you made?
Ma'am, the sisters ages
Age.
from 10 to 50.
Okay. So, Nan and Bet are 15 years. Lady Elizabeth was 14 years. Okay. So, be
Okay,
very... and which is the other mistake you made?
Drunk. Drank.
Yes. Drank is the past tense. Drunk is another form of past tense that you will learn this year. Okay.
Yeah.
So drunk is also a tense form, but that is past perfect tense. That is another form of tense, which is used in the lesson. Drunk is used in the story, right? But the past tense form, simple past tense form of drink is drank. Okay. And what about Devarsh? Where did you make mistake? First one, prefix. So what is the correct prefix of behave? It is?
Behave.
Misbehave, right? Misbehave. Devarsh, can you hear me? Only Dev and see, Navneet has used disbehave. That is wrong. Normally we use this word in our school, right? Yes. Don't misbehave. Children, please don't misbehave. So MIS is the correct prefix for behave. And Devarsh, whose? And Devarsh?
Yes.
Devarsh, which is the next, second mistake you made?
That's the caged bird.
Caged bird. What was the question?
Question I forgot. I write paint and anything.
It's It's not strange. The bird did not feel strange. Bird was feeling sad and helpless. Okay, sad and helpless. That is correct answer. Okay, children. So that's it. Yes.
Ma'am, are we winding up the class?
Yes, we are winding up the class. Time for us to wind up the class. Yes.
Ma'am, we are winding up.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye.
Who is saying something? Alessandra.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, no problem. It's okay, it's okay. Yes.
I want to go to hospital.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So we are winding up the class. So all the best. Study well thoroughly for your exam. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.